Всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. Today I want to show you my favorite pancake recipe, or you can call them crepes as well. They're going to be stuffed with cheese, and as you know, I love cheese, and I'm probably going to include a cheese sort of like playlist right here at the end, or somewhere a card in the middle, so make sure to check those recipes as well. And guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I want to reach 100,000 subscribers, so click the little notification bell and the red button and you will get updates every single time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. Now let's make the blini. In a bowl add your eggs and then sugar and salt. Then you want to whisk this on high speed until your mixture doubles. Then you want to add milk and sift your flour straight in there, and then using a whisk mix it all again. Then add your oil and mix everything one more time and your mixture is ready to go. Make sure your pan is nice and hot, and you want to add your first ladle on top and then swirl it around and cook it for a few minutes on each side. Your first pancake might not be good, but just keep going and then you will have a stack of delicious Blinchiki. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on a picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Take your pancake, place it onto a board, and then place your cheese filling in the middle, and then you just want to fold that in and do it from both sides and then kind of do a roll up. And then you want to repeat this with the rest of the pancakes until you have a full stack. I absolutely love cheese, guys, so they're so cheesy and yum. If you're going to eat them straight away, I recommend preheating your pan on a high heat. You want to add some butter and oil into your pan and then place your Blinchiki on one side, and you're going to cook them for about 5 to 10 minutes on each side until they're nice and crispy and golden. This is the best sort of way to eat them. Crispy on the outside with a yummy filling inside. When you cut into each pancake, the cheese just melts out, oozes out. It's so delicious. I really enjoy this, and I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Bye!